I've heard that buying a fund when it announces a dividend, income distribution cum capital withdrawal, IDCW, is a smart move. What do you think?
Dividends or IDCWs can signal a healthy company and attract income-seeking investors, potentially boosting the fund's price.
So, it indicates the fund is doing well.
Not necessarily. While dividends, IDCWs, can suggest stability, they're not always a sign of a good buying opportunity. You should also consider market conditions and your investment goals.
That makes sense. It's about looking at the bigger picture before making a decision.
Exactly. Understanding the fundamentals and how dividends, IDCWs, fit into your overall strategy is crucial. For example, buying a fund just before it pays out dividends, IDCWs, can sometimes lead to a higher tax bill, and the fund's price often drops by the dividend IDCW amount after the payout.
Thanks for clarifying, Vikas. So, it's about making informed decisions rather than relying on just one factor.
Precisely. A well-rounded approach is always best in investing.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.